Get into the 2019 Ram ProMaster 1500. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Give your business the tools to succeed with this convenient and capable ProMaster 1500. Flexible, efficient, and equipped with an impressive array of desirable tech, it helps you get the job done with comfort and confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, tow hitch, tire pressure monitoring system. Project a polished, professional image in this capable, generously equipped ProMaster 1500. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.